to all our viewers. You are watching Project Talk webinar by PropTiger, where we connect our buyers with the best in the industry. I am Surbi Gupta, your host, and today we are joined by expert panelists from Shriram Properties. I would like to introduce Mr. Satish, Head of Channel Sales, and Mr. Venkat Krishnan, Senior Manager. From PropTiger, we are joined by Bhagraj, Team Manager. Warm welcome to all our panelists. Now, Shriram Properties is a leading residential real estate development company in South India, primarily focusing on the mid-market and affordable housing categories. PropTiger is India's leading real estate advisory firm to have served more than 25,000 home buyers throughout their journey at zero brokerage for customers. May I request Team Shriram Properties and Mr. Bhagraj to go ahead with a brief introduction of the companies that they are representing. Over to you, Mr. Bhagraj.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone. So thank you so much for joining in the webinar. So first of all, I would hope everyone and your loved ones are safe at home. So as a company, PropTiger, we are one of the leading real estate advisory firm with expert services. So starting from your property search to site visits and to finalizing your dream home. So we also provide you home loan services. With leading banks, all the leading banks, majorly in India. And we believe in a company which is highly professional, and we are transparent, and we are highly committed to the customers and the promises which we make. And all this is at zero cost to the customer. So, and we are tied up with the reputed builders in the country, and which makes sure timely delivery and 100% execution. So over to Surabhi. I'm looking forward to the webinar.
Thank you. Mr. Satish, would you like to introduce the company?
Yeah, hi, good afternoon, everyone, and hope all of you are safe this pandemic situation now. So let me introduce a company, Shriram Properties, a real estate brand with a 40-year-old legacy and presence across 5 Indian states, including Bangalore, Chennai, Kolkata, Coimbatore, and Vizag. So this has been established in 1995. Shriram Properties are the makers of some of the most innovative living spaces in this real estate sector. In terms of right location, right product, right price, and of course, it's a trusted brand. In Chennai, we have 4 projects. Say, in Bangalore, we have more than 10 projects. In Kolkata, we have recently launched a project which is going on well now. And that's it.
Thank you, Mr. Satish. Before we begin, let me show you why Perungalathur continue to enjoy buyers' attention over the years. Here's a video for all our viewers.
Known as the Detroit of Asia, Chennai, the capital city of Tamil Nadu, is located on the Coromandel coast of the Bay of Bengal. Chennai is the biggest cultural, economic, and educational center in South India and is also one of the largest economies with the 3rd highest GDP per capita in India. Chennai has been selected as one of the cities under Prime Minister's Smart City mission and so is said to be one of the best global cities to live in. Chennai has managed to sail through the economic slowdown that hit the real estate industry and has witnessed a year-on-year rise in residential sales. Perungalathur is a residential locality in southern part of Chennai. The town is served by Perulungathur railway station and is the main bus boarding station for passengers to reach all southern cities of Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Perulungathur has many projects introduced by top developers. Shriram Properties is one such premier developer. Shriram Properties, since its inception in the year 1995, has built an extensive presence across South India, with a diverse portfolio that consists of over 20 million square feet of built-up space. Along with this, it has also over 12 million square feet to be delivered in the next 2 years and 45.85 million square feet which is under development. Shriram Park 63 by Shriram Properties is an integrated township located opposite to Perungalathur railway station, Chennai. The proposed amenities include a retail mall spread across 0.5 million square feet with 100 plus retail outlets, 6-screen multiplex, and amenities like large amphitheater, huge multi-purpose lawn, badminton, tennis, cricket nets, kids play area, and many more. Live the perfect life at the beautiful abode. Shriram Park 63 is sure to make you feel captivated with its mesmerizing surroundings in and out.
That was indeed an interesting take on Perungalathur. Let's get to some question answers. Mr. Venkat, tell us what is the USP of Sri Ram Park 63 and why should a buyer consider this project to buy their home?
Yeah. Hi, good evening. This is Venkat. This is the only integrated township in entire Chennai. And to be say no, this is the only integrated township in entire Tamil Nadu. Very selected integrated township in all over India. More than maximum 5 to 6 integrated township. This is one among that. And the location is the best location in entire Tamil Nadu. That's the reason. That's the main USP for this project.
Mr. Baklaraj, can you tell us what are the location advantages that Perungalathur offers?
Okay, yeah, Shurvi. So, see, location-wise, as I strongly believe, no, and I often tell to my customers that no, we have to look at 3 parameters, no, for any location. So, first thing is no commercial space. So, Perungalathur as a location, if you take, which has a no, but itself is an IT corridor, no, where we have Shriram Gateway, which is in the special economic zone, and companies such as Accenture and Newgen Softwares have occupied most of the spaces. And in another 15 minutes drive, you can see MEBS, which is at Tambram, and which is also is in the special economic zone. And in half an hour's drive, you have Mahindra World City, which is also a special economic zone, which is an IT hub. So this is about the commercial space. And the second thing which we should ideally look is at connectivity and commute. So as a Chennai audience, everybody would be knowing that. So this particular project and the Perungalathur location itself is bang on GST. So Perungalathur is called as a gateway to Chennai. So anybody who is coming from the down south, from any other part of rest of Tamil Nadu, he has to go through the Perungalathur location only. So that is the biggest advantage we have. And in terms of connectivity, we have metro station, which is just across the road, no distance away. And other things like infrastructure, if you see the very most important thing, which is schools. There are very good schools in Perungalathur. So I do have no list of schools like Narayana E-Techno School, GKM, Vidyashram, the Lords International School, and the list goes on. So there are so many schools in Perungalathur, and likewise hospitals. So we have the best hospitals in Perungalathur location. We have hospitals like Kamakshi, Hindu Mission Hospital, SRM Hospital, which are all 15-20 minutes drive from the location. And shopping mall. So we have already heard Shriram, they themselves are coming with a shopping mall. And that is actually an advantage. In this entire 60 kilometers of radius, there is no shopping mall in GST, and ours is going to be the first shopping mall. So that is one more thing. So overall, when you see Perungalathur as a location, it is a very educated society, and it has a very healthy environment, and people there are very educated, and it is very low polluted. That is the most important thing, which gives you a real peace of mind. So this is about the location.
Okay. Mr. Venkat, can you tell us what are the upcoming infrastructure developments in the region that will make it worthy investment in a property here?
Yeah. Hope everyone knows about Coimbatore. Hope everyone knows about Coimbatore bus terminus in Chennai. That's Asia's second largest bus terminus, and bigger than that, bus terminus is going to coming nearby in our project, just 2 kilometers away from our project. So that's the biggest terminus in all over the world. That's going to be the massive development in this location. And the next part is we have connected with outer ring road, and we have connected with inner ring road, and everything is nearby. We have well connected, and as well as this is very good location.
Mr. Venkat, please also help us with the price appreciation in this locality in the past and what appreciation can one expect in the future?
Yeah, initially in Peringalathu, they started close to 3,000 to 3,500 per square feet. Now, no, people are started selling up to close to 5,500 rupees per square feet. That's a growth that too happened within 3 to 4 years span time.
Mr. Satish, can you help us with any offers you are coming up with following the coronavirus pandemic?
Yeah, the project itself is a special offer to all the buyers. Particularly this Park 63 project it's a good project with a good location, as Bakiraj addressed the location advantages now. But yes, the quality and the delivery is not compromised owing to this pandemic situation, which is evidenced by the consistent demand and inquiries for the project even during the lockdown days. However, there is a 100% refund of the booking advance with no questions asked if the client does not wishes to proceed further.
Moving on to our next segment, I would like to request Team Shriram Properties to walk us through the project presentation for the benefit of our viewers. Over to you,
Yeah.
Shriram. Yeah.
The project name is called Park 63 because the pin code is 63. So we mentioned this is completely covered by green area. And the right location, right product and right price and the brand will give you a lot of trust to the customer. So this is a right property for everyone. This is a project image, nicely elevated project and completely covered by greenery. We have 70 to 75% is open space given in this project. And we have opened a lot of Tatkal window in this project. All the windows are successful window. Because whenever we open window 3 to 4 days or maximum weeks time, we do get sale close to 200 to 300 numbers in this project. That's a value for this project. Yeah, we had a launch by last year February. We had 15 days launch window. We sold close to 250 units booked in this property. So very successful event. Now we are planning to open another window. So as I told you in the front, this is a Chennai first and finest integrated township. We have coming up with complete residential with vast green cover and super location and with commercial spaces as well. Yeah, these are right as Bakiraj said. This is on GST Bank on GST Road next to Tambaram and right on just opposite to station and next to bus terminus. From here you can access maps and Mahindra World City, and more than that, we have inside the premises we have IT campus where 25 to 30,000 people are working here. And these are right, as I told you, this is a best convenience place, maximum livability, global lifestyle, easy liquidity, everything put together. This one project is everything put together. This is the best property which Shriram's have. These are few integrated township which is available in India. One is Hiranandani Powai and JP Greens in Noida and Brigade Gateway in Bangalore. That's the best part of integrated township, where you can get very well growth in your price and appreciation in your price, and as well the international lifestyle. This is some facilities in this project. One is 25,000 employees working nearby inside the premises, and 5-6 multiple screen is going to come here in this premises, and 0.5 million square feet mall is part of the project, where you can save a lot of time with your family, where you can spend a lot of time with your family. This is already I have covered about location and community spaces and amenities. More than 50 plus amenities are there in this project. This is a good project. Thank you.
Thank you for the presentation. Moving on, we will be picking some audience questions now.
Yeah.
So, Mr. Ravi is asking, will the coronavirus pandemic have any impact on project delivery timelines? Mr. Satish, would you like to take that?
Sorry, Surabhi. Yes. Can you come again once again, please?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Will the coronavirus pandemic have any impact on project delivery timeline? This is asked by Mr. Ravi.
No, absolutely no. The project is already 1 year ahead of the delivery schedule, which was submitted during the approval for RERA. So I don't think, it is 100% sure there won't be any impact on project delivery time. So it is on time.
Mr. Sarvanan is asking, how is the project different from other projects in the locality? Mr. Venkat, would you like to take that?
Yeah, this is the only project no, which is integrated township. The first thing is that. Next thing is no, the location. In this location, this is the only project which is located in the main road. No other project located in the main road. The third part is this project is covered by surrounded by 1,500 acre greenery, which is this is the oxygen reservoir for entire Chennai. This is the oxygen factory for entire Chennai. So we are very close by nature. That's a major fact for this project.
Mr. Jaivalu is asking, what are the connectivity commuting options available for the residents of Sri Ram Park 63? Mr. Venkat, would you like to answer that?
Yeah, hi Jayavelu. This project is you can commute by train just opposite to station. You can commute by buses, government buses, and as well as car. This is on Bank Road, so you can access by any way, any mode of transportation.
Mr. Balaji is asking, what is the down payment I have to pay to buy a house in this project? Mr. Satish, would you like to answer that?
Yeah, we accept a booking token amount of 1 lakh initially after visiting the site. The booking token amount is initially 1 lakh. Then afterwards, 10%, 20%, it's based on the stages, the payment will go on like that. But initially we accept a booking amount of 1 lakh.
Mr. Raghuraman is asking, what are the payment plans available for those who book homes at Sri Ram Park 63? Mr. Venkat, would you like to take that?
Yeah, we have no construction linked payment plan, which is based on the structure. We have a plan, and other than that, we have no customized plan as well. So whenever customer visit the site, we will discuss about the payment plan further detailing.
Mr. Ganesh is asking, what are the banks which are offering home loans for buying house in this project? Mr. Bakraj, would you like to take that?
Yeah, thank you so much, Mr. Ganesh, for your question. So, PropTiger as a company, we work with the majority all the banks. In particular, if you want, there are 18, 19 banks in which with which we work. So, wherever it is convenient for you. So, if there is a particular bank with which already you have some existing relationship, like a fixed deposit or a savings account, whichever you prefer, we will definitely help you getting loan from that. And moreover, I would say this is the best time for anyone to get a home loan. Since the repo rate has been reduced and the banks have reduced their interest part. So we'll be happy to help you with any bank which you would like to. And the most important thing is we would do it free of cost for you. Yeah.
Mr. Venkat is asking, what are the configurations still available in this project and what will be the all-inclusive cost? Mr. Venkat, would you like to answer that?
Yeah, hi Venkat. We have 1 bedroom and 2 bedroom and 2.5, 3 bedroom and 3.5. All these variants are available in this project. Yeah, you can come anytime to visit the property here.
Mr. Deepak Agrawal is asking, how much is the stamp duty and registration charge for a flat in this project? And what are the other miscellaneous charges that a buyer has to pay over the base selling price? Mr. Venkat, would you like to answer that?
Yeah, the registration charges is as per actuals. So government charges only 7 plus 4, 11% is actual registration charges. Whatever applicable at the time of registration. That's what I said, actuals. Now, other than that, we have no clubhouse charges and no water connection and sewage connection charges, kind of stuff. We have no few other charges. We have detailed price sheet with us. Whenever customer inquire about our property, visit our site, we will explain it completely. We have maintenance charges, corpus fund, like that extra.
Mr. Jagannath is asking, what has been the price growth in this project in the past few years? Mr. Satish, would you like to take that?
Mr. Jagannath, the capital value of the property shown positive trends of about 15 to 20% year on year. And the trend is actually expected to keep the same pace for the next 4-5 years. which would benefit all the clients with approximately 100% return on investments. See, for example, there are three segments we can say in Chennai. One is GST, and another one is OMR, and another stretch is Bangalore Highway. I mean, from Punamalli High Road to Bangalore Highway, that route. So all these areas where, I mean, for the past 10 years, as you can see, the growth, the capital value of the property, I mean, it is growing like 5%, 10%, likewise. But this particular project, Park 63, which is located right on the main road, Perungalattur, which is very close proximity to, Punamalli High Road. There is a bypass. The connectivity is very prominent for this particular project, where you can reach OMR, Punamalli High Road, and as well as the GST in about 15-20 minutes time. So the price growth in this project for the as I said, 15-20% year on year, it is growing well.
Mr. Habib is asking, what are the monthly maintenance charges I have to pay if I book a flat in Shriram Park 63? Mr. Satish, would you like to take that?
Monthly maintenance charges, as all the other integrated township, I mean, huge community properties are there in Chennai. It's the same as rupees 3 we are charging per square feet on a monthly basis. I mean, super built up area, which I'm talking about. Say, for example, if you buy 1,000 square feet of 2.5 bedroom, 2 bedroom or 2.5 bedroom apartment, you need to pay 3,000 rupees maintenance charges per month.
Surabhi.
Yeah.
Yeah, to be continue with Satish, the 3 rupees maintenance very, very minimal, because the kind of lifestyle what we are going to provide here in this location, this property, is completely massive. So for that 3 rupees is very, very minimal.
Yes, the infrastructure, amenities, and all those facilities, including all those facilities, what the maintenance charges that we are charging is comparatively very, very less in the industry, as VK said rightly.
Okay. Mr. Rajesh is asking, what is the potential for getting rent in this project? How much rent can a landlord get? Mr. Venkat, can you take that?
Yeah, normally if you take in this location, wherever it is, if it is other than gated community, where you will get, if you take 2 bedroom, you will get maximum 6,000 to 10,000 as a rent. But when it comes to gated community, you will get close to 15,000 to 18,000. When it comes to integrated township, minimum, what I'm talking about, if you take single bedroom, you will get 15 to 18,000 as a rental. If you take 2.5 bedroom, you will take definitely you'll end up by getting 30,000 as rental. That's the potential in this gated integrated township.
Okay. Mr. Karthikeyan is asking, is there a specific section of buyers you are targeting? Mr. Venkat, would you like to answer that?
Definitely not. Everyone is welcome in this project.
Mr. Lenin is asking, if I book a flat now, will I be able to get any discounts? Mr. Venkat, can you highlight that, please?
No, normally in this project, we are not giving any discounts in this project. Particularly, this project has a huge success rate and history. So if you come to a site, once you see the property and finalize the inventory, if you can able to pay 10% upfront, we can offer 1% discount. That's the best discount no industry is providing now. 1% discount whenever customer pay 10% upfront.
As I said, the project itself is a good offer to all the buyers. So we don't need to have any other discounts as of now.
Exactly.
I am an NRI and will not be able to visit India in the foreseeable future. If I were to buy a house in your project, how would we conduct the transaction now? This question is asked by Mr. Anand Krishnan and Mr. Baklaraj. Can you take that, please?
Sure, Surabhi. So, Mr. Krishnan, if you see, yes, we do understand in this time, it is actually, even for Indians, it is very difficult to visit the property. So, you being an NRI, so we have everything possible which to help you out. So, yes, we give you a virtual tour of the entire property. We take you through the entire model house. We have 3D walkthroughs. And we have slice views, where you can separately view the entire elevation and everything. And we also give you a hawk view for the entire location, which very easily you can determine where the location is, where the correct, the exact project is. So yes, we'll be happy to help you to take through the online process.
Okay. Miss Anusha is asking, what is the source of water supply being provided in the project? Mr. Venkat, would you like to take that?
Yeah, we have no, hi Anusha, good evening. We have no sufficient groundwater in this location. Moreover, GST has a very good water table. So we are close by nature as well. So we have sufficient water provision here.
Okay, great. Miss Gauri is asking, does the project have any environment-friendly features? Mr. Satish, would you like to answer that, please?
Yes. Hi, Gauri. Environment friendly features of this project. I mean, we have approximately 5.5 acres of lush green open spaces, natural wells preserved during construction, and we are providing solar lighting facility in all the common areas. And behind this property, we have 1,500 acres of natural resources. I mean, Vandalur forest resources are there. All these things are environmental friendly, because you cannot find any, the same features with any other projects in Chennai. This is the only project that have more greeneries inside the property and, outside the perimeter. Yes.
Mr. Niranjan Paul is asking, is there any guarantee provided by builder against a price drop for Shriram Park 63 project? Mr. Venkat, would you like to answer that?
Yes. Hi Niranjan, good evening. Yeah, we have a price protection policy with our Shriram developers. So we will protect your pricing. Nothing to worry. And moreover, particularly this project will not get down, will not see any price reduce as well.
Mr. Syed is asking, what are the amenities provided in this project? Mr. Satish, would you like to answer that, please?
Yes. Hi, Syed. We have many amenities available inside this community. We have a library, community hall, a lounge, children play area. For just now, I told you. 5.5 acres of open green areas, children's play areas there, skating rink we are providing, activity area, and co-working space. Particularly, no one have come up with this kind of amenities so far. I think in Chennai, a co-working space, business center, all these things we are providing. ATM provision is there, and we have a multi-purpose court, yoga platform, a learning garden, cycling track. We have gazebos, senior citizen seating areas, maze garden, a reflexology park, a large amphitheater we have for the entire community, a tennis court, volleyball court, a cricket nest, basketball court. Someone has asked, can we play? Okay, fine. Badminton court. Also, there are two public parks spread across 5.5 acres. I mean, that is what I've told earlier, with the recreational areas like sports zones, performance spaces, amidst lush green lawns. So the total area of this particular project is 17 acres. In this 17 acres, 5.5 acres is completely open area. We are for all those amenities, open amenities we are providing.
Now, and Surabhi?
Yeah.
Other than that, no, we have co-working area, which is need of the hour, because most of them after this pandemic start working from home. So co-working area is called working from that location. So we are giving that space as well in this property.
Wow. Great. Great. Okay. So Mr. Sudarshan is asking, does the project make use of any latest construction technology? And if so, what advantages does it provide?
Yeah, this is constructed by Maiwan technology, which normally used in Middle East and Singapore countries. This will have completely concrete structure where you will have long stability and durability. It will give lot of usable space. More usable space you can get it in because of this construction techniques.
Okay. Ms. Rajeshwari is asking, what is the interest rate that banks will currently charge from a female home loan borrower for buying a property in your project? Mr. Baklaraj, would you like to take that?
Yes, Surbhi. So, thank you, Mr. Ashwari, for this question. So, yes, no, I know a lot of things you would have read about. So now, currently, bank loans have they have reduced their interest rate, and especially for women. Yes, India as a country, we always give preference to women. So, in terms of interest, also, most of the banks, like if you take SBI or HDFC, when SBI it offers a loan at a normal, now the interest rate is 7.15%, but for women they are giving it 7.05%, which is lowest in the history. So never ever no banks have given a loan at that rate. And if you take a HDFC when it used to offer 7.35%, and for women they are giving it for 7.25%. Yes, you have an additional advantage.
To continue with Baki, this is the right time to buy any property. No, because bankers are giving no very less interest rate in this due to this pandemic. If customer had an idea to buy a property, this is the right time to buy a property.
Yeah, the next question is related to that itself. Mr. Vijay is asking, is it a good and safe time to buy a property in Chennai?
Of course, Chennai always has the best advantage of buying a property in this location.
Okay.
Chennai always seeing there is no dip in the price. Chennai may see a lot of recession, everything, but there is no dip in the price for in realty sector.
Now, I think this is the right time to invest in Chennai, this real estate industry, because in terms of pricing and all the other amenities for this particular project, this is the right time to invest in it. Because see, for example, if you can look at the Velachery area, just 15, 18 years before, the price range was around 2,500 or 3,000 rupees. Now you can imagine what is the rate per square feet now, and the development in Velachery area. This particular place, Perungalattur, is very much as same as Velachery. It's going to be developed like that. So this is the right time to invest now in this particular project.
Okay, Mr. Rakesh is asking, what is the cost per square feet in this project?
Yeah, we have cost per square feet from 4653.
Okay.
It starts from
That's the best price in this
4,653 basic rate per square feet. It starts from
4653.
4,653. Yes.
Okay. Mr. Thazinullah is asking, what is the cost of 3 BHK in this project?
Yeah, 3 BHK, the size starts from 1,770. That will cost you, from 94 lakhs.
Okay. Okay. Miss Neena is asking, how is the social infrastructure in the area? Mr. Venkat, would you like to talk about that?
Yeah, if you take social infrastructure, it's all about the location benefits. We have surrounded by a lot of schools and colleges and medical facilities like that. As Bakira said in the initial stage, we have n number of schools and colleges and the hospitals. And other than that, this is the only project where we have surrounded by greenery, 1,500 acre. Okay, this is nature, and moreover, this is the only project which will have the best transportation facility and main road property, and as well as greenery. This is the only project which will give you this kind of lifestyle in Chennai premises.
Mr. Baklaraj, would you like to add that? Would you like to add something?
Yes, Surabhi. So actually, I was just thinking about another point. So now, if you see future for home buyers, Chennai as a market, see OMR stretch, which was a prominent stretch. If you see, there are a lot of developers who have come with very good number of apartments, and now the demand has actually reduced there, since there are too many options available for customers. But when we take GST as a location, so in this availabilities are very less. So there are very few units available. So this would be an ideal time for anyone to go for investment, because in future they are going to be a huge development.
Yes, I agree with Bhagiraj. Well said. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Our next question is, what's the delivery date of phase 1 of Sri Ram Park 63?
Yeah, as we committed 2021 August is the date of delivery.
Okay. Mr. Gunasarkan is asking, what can I do if the project is delayed? Can I approach RERA?
No, the project will not get delayed because, as I said, the project is actually 1 year ahead. The construction progress is 1 year ahead. So within the timeline, we will definitely be able to hand over the project. And I mean, if somebody have any doubt, you can. I mean, you're always welcome to have a a physical check here, the construction level and all the other things. You can come and see our property here. That will give you a good insight.
Before we end, let me show you why Perangalathur continue to enjoy buyers' attention over the years. Here's a video for all our viewers.
Known as the Detroit of Asia, Chennai, the capital city of Tamil Nadu, is located on the Coromandel coast of the Bay of Bengal. Chennai is the biggest cultural, economic, and educational center in South India and is also one of the largest economies with the third highest GDP per capita in India. Chennai has been selected as one of the cities under Prime Minister's Smart City mission and so is said to be one of the best global cities to live in. Chennai has managed to sail through the economic slowdown that hit the real estate industry and has witnessed a year-on-year rise in residential sales. Perungalathur is a residential locality in southern part of Chennai. The town is served by Perulungathur railway station and is the main bus boarding station for passengers to reach all southern cities of Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Perulungathur has many projects introduced by top developers. Shriram Properties is one such premier developer. Shriram Properties, since its inception in the year 1995, has built an extensive presence across South India, with a diverse portfolio that consists of over 20 million square feet of built-up space. Along with this, it has also over 12 million square feet to be delivered in the next 2 years and 45.85 million square feet which is under development. Shriram Park 63 by Shriram Properties is an integrated township located opposite to Perungalathur railway station, Chennai. The proposed amenities include a retail mall spread across 0.5 million square feet with 100 plus retail outlets, 6-screen multiplex and amenities like large amphitheater, huge multi-purpose lawn, badminton, tennis, cricket nets, kids play area and many more. Live the perfect life at the beautiful abode. Shriram Park 63 is sure to make you feel captivated with its mesmerizing surroundings in and out.
Thank you for wonderful insights, everybody. I would request our panelists to give their closing remarks. Mr. Satish, starting with you.
Thank you, everybody, for this particular session. We are much delighted in this particular pandemic situation, and we are more delighted to explain about our property. I mean, our project. We are very proud of sharing this information about our product. Thank you, everyone. Thanks.
Mr. Venkat, would you also like to highlight USPs of Shriram Park 63 once again?
Yeah. Thank you for PropTiger for giving us such such an opportunity for us to explain about our property. This is the best project for anyone to invest because of the location and the amenities what we are giving in the property. And this is the first integrated township. I used to say every time because this is the only property which will come with all the amenities, like with no multiplex. Okay, and we are trying to come up with some other offer also. Okay. So stay tuned till Monday. Definitely we will rock. Thank you, PropTiger and other everyone.
Mr. Baklaraj, would you like to talk about the locality while ending in your closing remarks?
Definitely, Surbhi. So first of all, I would like to thank the entire audience who have attended this webinar, and my thanks to the panelists Satish and Venkat for their insights. So see, that's a general advice to all the customers, home buyers and investors, whoever it is. If you are planning to buy a property in GST, I would say Park 63 will be the only and best available option for you. Since as a locality, communication, everything is already perfect. And the first thing which I said was this area is very, very low polluted area. And the people here are already educated. You will have that feel, that culture, and you will have the feel that you are into a really integrated township. So that is about the project. And overall, say anytime if you are in need of buying a home, please reach out to PropTiger, and we'll be happy to assist you on your real estate transaction. So I would request you to stay home, stay healthy, and stay safe, and enjoy the time with your family.
Thank you, panelists, for joining. Thank you, viewers, for watching. Feel free
Thank
to
you,
drop your
Surabhi.
queries on our social media channels. We'll see you soon in the next episode of our Project Talk series. Till then, take care. Goodbye.
Thank you.
Thank you all.